Good afternoon, everybody. Randy with MyScreenKit.net. My Lord, are we looking forward to January 2024? It's just a few months down the road. You know, when we designed this kit, we did a soft launch late last year. We sold well over 15,000 of these, and it was so exciting to see the feedback and just the 5 stars. I mean, just by putting something so perfect together to make it easier for anyone and everyone who wants to do it themselves in lieu of hiring a retail company and paying 2, 3, 4, even 5 times as much. But you know, the biggest feedback we got was not only do we offer the 7 sizes of pre-formed kits, 3 foot by 5 foot, 4 foot by 5 foot, etc. One of the biggest requests we got is, can we cut it to size? Why not? Absolutely. And we're going to do that starting in January. So if you turn in a 34.5 by 58.5, instead of just taking our prefab kit, which would be a 36 by 60, and then cutting it down yourself, as per your request, we will cut it, we will assemble it, verify it, take it back apart, put it in the tube, and it'll be at your front door in no time at all. That is just yet another way we want to make sure that you love your screen kit. After all, there's a reason we called it My Screen Kit, because it is for you, and we love doing it for you. The best part, made in America. We will not use imported nothing. If it's not made in America, it's not in your kit. Custom sizes, 6 different prefab sizes, 80%, 90%. Right now we're going to have 3 colors of material, but I am working on a 4th color. I'm trying, and it will likely be what we know as desert sand, that Twitchell calls it. Of course, Pfeiffer calls that stucco. So whichever version you want to call it, we're giving a soft touch on that to a few of the affiliates that we deal with across the country, and we're going to see how that works. MyScreenKit.net. We're doing it for you. For you, for you. We want to make sure to save you, the homeowner, hundreds of dollars, if not thousands. And at the same time, make it as easy as 1, 2, 3. God bless all of you guys. Think about us. Subscribe to us while you're here. Have a blessed one.